Oh! I ain't even playing around that little food. Look at all those donkeys.
Took the tire right off the rim.
Oh, I think we got a little bit of a hang on. What a beautiful hit, Nathan. Beautiful hit. Oh. Drive the Dodge. Looks like a Dodge ski. Dodge ski? Dodge ski and a Detroit Red Wings fan. Number one dad. But he's a good dad.
Red Wings. I don't know what the Red Wings
I don't know what the Red Wings are, the Dodge. The Red Wings are good.
But if you want to drive home, come see me.
And if a lady shows up, you can't have them because they know you're not their dad. So what's happening? Did they get pulled apart?
I don't think they did.
I think they forgot to pull them apart.
Yeah.
I think the truck on the far side is going to help motivate.
Don't worry. What does the far side mean? Oh, there, right? That blue guy there, right, Steven? Because if you'd have been over here, the far side would have been over there.
It's all in proportion, boys. Oh, one's up. Oh, down to two.
I thought he was going to whack that guy's loose.
Okay. We're down to two.
Two.
They're kind of, I don't know what they're snuggling over there.
They're stuck.
Yeah. Try and control alt delete, Nathan.
Can we pull them apart?
I thought we did.
I thought we did too, but
That was a good hit he made though.
that's still a hit from before they pull them apart, isn't it? Oh, very quiet.
Very silent right now. Do you have the Monopoly song? Or
No,
We're gonna pull them apart.
We don't have any Tesla trucks in there, do we?
There we go. There we go. We're gonna see how things go.
Line her up, let's see a good one.
Hey! What's that? We got an entertainer here.
Oh, he's going down.
You got her, Keegan. Well, that's just round one. We got a final. These guys get to try again.